Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are learning Durusul Lughatul Arabiya, Book 2, Lesson number 20. Today, inshallah, we will do its exercise from the book. Ta'ammal Mayali. We will learn rāb of the dual. We will learn rāb of the dual. When it is marfu, when it is mansub, and when it is majroor. Here are the examples. In first, Ja al-mudarrisu. Al-mudarrisu is in nominative case. It is marfu. The file is marfu here. Ra'aytul mudarrisa. I saw the teacher. I saw the teacher. So, the teacher, the mudarris is mansub here, taking the fatha. In the singular or the we can say singular or mufrad, it take the dhamma. When a noun, when a ism is marfu, it take dhamma, and when it is mansub, it take fatha, and when it is majroor, it take kasra. Zahabtu ilal mudiri. I went to the head. Ilal mudarrisi. Zahabtu ilal mudarrisi. I went to the teacher. So the teacher al-mudarris is majroor because of the ila preposition. So it is taking the kasra. So these are the arab for the noun, singular noun. And now we will learn about the dual musanna. Ja al-mudarrisani. Two teachers came. So this alif and noon is alamte rafa. So when it is taking alif and noon, so it means it is in the nominative form. It is marfu. And in noon, in alif and noon, alif is alamte rafa. When there is a alif, so it means it is alamte rafa. Ja'al mudarrisani, two teachers came. And when it is mansub, ra'aytul mudarrisaini, I saw two teachers. So it take ya. Alif change into ya. So this ya is alamte mansub. This is alamte nasab. Ra'aytul mudarrisaini, I saw two teachers. And it has ending of aini. In marfu, there is alif and noon, and in mansub, there is ya and noon. So ya is alamte nasab here. Then zahabtu ilal mudarrisaini. I went to the two teachers. And ila is a proposition, so it is majroor. And in the majroor case, it also take the ya. So what we learn here, when a musanna or the dual noun is marfu, it take alif and noon. And when it is mansub, it take ya and noon. And when it is majroor, it also take ya and noon. So in marfu case, alif is alamte rafa. In the marfu case, this alif is alamte rafa, And in the mansoob case, this ya is alamte rafa. And in the majroor case, this ya is alamte rafa. So mansoob and the majroor ending is same for the dual. And now here are some questions and we have to give the answer in marfu case. We have to give the answer in the marfu case in dual form, using the dual form in the marfu case. Kam akhan laka, how many brothers you have? So who will reply this one? Kam akhan
I will reply,
laka.
sir.
Yes, please.
Li akawani.
Li
Akawani.
akhawani. I have two brothers.
Two brothers.
Okay. Kam kitaban indaka, how many books you have?
Li kitabani.
Li,
Indi kitabani.
yes, indi. Kam kitaban
Indi.
indaka, how many books you have?
Indi
Indi
kitabani.
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 I have two books.
Two books.
Okay. Next is Kam taliban jadidan ja al yawma. How many?
Ja al.
Oh, wait.
Ja al.
Wait. Translate first.
How many students? How many new students came today?
Yes, how many new students came today? Now, please, who will answer?
Ja Talibani. Ja al yawma Talibani jadidani.
Yes. Ja al yawma talibani jadidani.
Jadidani.
Okay. Come,
Sifat
that's
Talibani jadidani sifat mawsuf.
yes, talibani jadidani, they are the sifat masuf. So here taliban jadidan is also sifat masuf.
Yeah.
Okay. Kam darsan baqiya fil kitabi, how many lessons are
Remaining in the book.
Okay.
Fil kitab darsani jadi darsani baqiya.
Okay. Kam darsan baqiya fil kitabi, how many lessons remain in the book?
Fil kitab darsani baqiya.
Baqiya fil kitabi darsani. You can say baqiya darsani fil kitabi. Baqiya darsani fil kitabi. Okay. Next. Kam taliban kharaja min al fasli.
How many students left the classroom?
How many students left from the classroom?
Kharaja min al fasli talibani.
Kharaja min al fasli talibani. Okay. So it will be Talibani. Taliban change into Talibani. Okay. Kam rajulan mata fil hadisi.
How many men died in the accident?
Yes. How many men died in the accident?
Mata fil hadisi rajulani.
Rajulani. Mata fil hadisi rajulani. Okay.
सर अगर हम इसको वर्ब पहले वर्ब बाद में इस्तेमाल करेंगे तो ये खरजा आएगा, माता आएगा, ऐसे आएगा।
क्या?
फिल फसली अगर हम बोलेंगे तालिबानी खरजा मिनल फसली, ऐसे आ सकता है।
तालिबानी
खरजा मिनल फसल,
फिर आप वर्ब की फॉर्म को भी चेंज करेंगे।
है ना, वर्ब, फिर वर्ब भी चेंज करेंगे ना,
हाँ
वही
जी।
मतलब ऐसा ऐसा ये ठीक है कि नहीं, ये जरूरी नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं।
उसको पढ़ेंगे आप बाद में, फिलहाल इसी को पढ़ें
अब
आप।
चले ठीक है।
अच्छा, now we have to give the answers, and answers we will give using the dual. Answers we will give by using the duals. Kam lugatan tarifu. Kam lugatan tarifu. How many languages do you know? How many languages do you know?
आरिफु लुगतानी,
Arifu
लुगतानी,
lugataini. Arifu lugataini. It will be mansub because of the verb arifu. Okay. Arifu lugataini. The ending will be with the ya
या
and
will be अलामत मंसूब, या will be अलामत मंसूब।
lugataini. Arifu lugataini. I know two languages. Okay. Kam suratan hafizti ya Maryamu. What is the meaning?
How many surahs you memorize, O Maryam?
How many surahs you memorized, O Maryam? Okay. So what is the answer?
हिफिज़्तु सूरतैन,
Hafiztu surataini. So the ending will be mansoob with the ya and noon. Hafiztu surataini. I memorized two surah. Kam risalatan katabta ya Ahmadu.
how many letters you wrote, O Ahmad?
Okay. How many letters did you write, O Ahmad? How many letters did you write, O Ahmad? Okay.
कतब्तु रिसालतैन,
Katabtu risalataini. I wrote two letters. Kam hayyatan katalta ya ammi. Kam hayyatan katalta ya ammi. What is the
how
meaning?
many snakes you killed, O uncle?
Yes. How many snakes did you kill, oh my uncle? How many snakes did you kill, oh my uncle? Hayyatan, snakes. Okay. So what will be the answer?
कतल्तु हय्यतैन,
Qataltu hayyataini. I killed two snakes. Okay, good. Kam daftaran ishtaraitu ya akhi.
how many copies you purchased, my brother?
How many notebooks you purchased, oh my brother? Okay.
इश्तराइतु दफ्तरैन,
Ishtaraitu daftaraini. I bought two notebooks. Kam su'alan sa'alakal mudarrisu. Kam
how
su'alan.
many questions teacher asked?
How many
You, teacher asked
questions
you,
did the teacher
teacher
ask you?
asked you.
How many questions did the teacher ask you? Okay, so
अल मुदर्रिसु सअल सवालैन,
salani.
अल मुदर्रिसु सअलनी सवालैन,
So we will read it. Salani yal mudarrisu. Yai mutakallam, we give it fatah when we read with the alif lam. Salani yal mudarrisu. So alaini. Teacher asked me two questions. The teacher asked me two questions. Sa'alani yal mudarrisu. Sa'alani yal mudarrisu. Su'alaini. The teacher asked me two questions. Okay, next. Kam tayratan raita fil matari.
How many aeroplanes you saw in the airport?
In the airport. Fil matari, in the airport. Tayratan, aeroplanes. How many airplanes you saw at the airport? Okay.
رأيت في المطار طائرتين.
Okay. Ra'aitu
في المطار طائرتين.
tayrataini. Okay. So this round ta will change into the open ta.
Yes.
Raitu tayrataini fil matari. I saw two planes in the airport. Kam min dilan ghasalat ukhtu ki. Ukhtu ki.
How many
Ukhtu
handkerchiefs
ka
you were
is also okay.
How many handkerchiefs your sister washed?
Washed. Kam min dilan ghasalta ukhtu ka. How many handkerchief your sister washed? Okay.
Gasalat ukti mindilaini.
Min dilaini. Ghasalat ukhti min dilaini. Okay. My sister washed two handkerchiefs. Kam mushtan turidu. Kam mushtan turidu. How many combs you want?
Uridu mushtaini.
Turidu mushtaini. I want two combs. Kam bikhaddatan ala saririka. How many pillows on your bed?
On your bed.
How many pillows on your bed?
On your
Mikhaddatan is pillow.
ala sariri mikdataini.
Mikhaddataini. Ala sariri mikhaddataini. There are two pillows on my bed.
Ustaz,
Yes.
then will not it become mikhaddatani? That will become the mubtada muakkar then. Because if we say ala sariri, that becomes the khabar muqaddam. So this will become marfu. Mikhaddatani.
Mikhaddatan.
If we are phrasing the sentence with the khabar first, then the mubtada should become marfu.
Yes, it will be mukhaddatani. Because
Jazakallah.
yes, it will be mukhaddatani. You are right. This is in marfu case. Because here is no verb. In this sentence, there is no verb. So it is not mansub. It is in marfu case. Thank you. Kam mikhaddatan ala saririka. How many pillows are on your bed? Mikhaddatani ala sariri. Or ala sariri mikhaddatani. So it will take alif and lam. If there is a verb, then it will be mansub. And the next is, now we will answer these questions. And here we will answer it in the majroor case. They are the majroor. Please switch off your mic. Okay. Become real. Lan ishtaraiti hazihil majalla ta ya aminatu. Become realan ishtaraiti hazihil majallata ya Aminatu. Oh Amina, for how many reals you bought this magazine? Or you have
ashtaraitu hazihil majallati biriyalaini.
B real good. We will use this be preposition with the reals. So because of the be preposition, it will be majroor. And we have learned that the majroor ending is ya and noon. Ashtaraitu hazal majallata bi riyalaini. I bought this magazine with 2 reals.
Does the majallata is mansoob because of the maf'ul? It is maf'ul, that's why.
Yes, majalla is
Okay.
majalla is it is bought.
Maf'ul bihi, so it is
Yeah, so it
mansoob.
will be maf'ul bihi.
Okay, stars.
Okay, become dolaran ishtaraitum hazihil azrara ya ikhwanu. Okay,
Stars, if we were to join these two words, we would read as dulara nishtaraitum.
we can say dolara nishtaraitu.
Okay.
The correct way is dolara nishtaraitum. And if we read it like this, dolaran, then we will give it kasra, ishtaraitum. Okay.
Stars, I forgot the meaning of azrar. What is it?
But a button.
Buttons.
Become dolaran, we can
Bi
ishtaraitum
dularain nishtaraitu.
yes, hazihil
Or
azrara ya ikhwanu. For how many dollars you bought these buttons, oh brother? For how many
Stars,
dollars? Yes.
if I would begin the sentence with the verb, it will go ishtarayna,
Yes,
ishtarayna hazihil azrara bidularaini. Is it correct?
dolaraini. Yes, dolaraini. Ishtaraina hazihil azrara dolaraini. We bought these buttons for $2. Okay. We bought these buttons with $2. So azrara is plural. That's why we are using hazihi. The plural of the non-akil, we use a demonstrative
Singular
pronoun
feminine.
feminine singular. Next is become junayhan ishtaraiti
That is the fourth one, Ustaz. Third one is rubiyatan.
rubiyat. Become rubiyatan ishtaraitunna hazal mushta. It will be mushta because it is mansoob here. Ya akhawati. Ya akhawati. So for how many rupees you bought this comb? Ishtaraitunna. This is for
Ishtaraytuna hazal mushta bi rubiyataini.
hazal mushta. Mushta is maf'ul bihi. Mushta is maf'ul bihi.
So ishtarayna hazihil mushta bi rubiyataini.
Okay. Ishtarayna. Okay. Hazal mushta.
Ishtarayna.
Yeah. Ishtarayna.
Yeah, Ustaz.
Hazal mushta.
Ishtarayna hazil mushta. No, hazal mushta Abi rubiyataini.
Bi rubayyataini. Okay, good. Bi rubayyataini. Okay, become Junayhan. Ishtaraiti hazihil mir'ata. Hazihil mir'ata. It will be mansub, mir'ata. Ya ummi. Oh, my mother. For how many pounds? Junayhan mean pounds. For how many pounds you bought this mirror? Mir'atun mean mirror. Oh, my mother, for how many pounds you bought this mirror?
Aha, ishtaraitu hazihil mir'ata abi junayhaini.
Bi Junayhaini. Bi Junayhaini. I bought this mirror for 2 pounds. Ishtaraitu hazihil mir'ata bi Junayhaini. I bought this mirror for 2 pounds. Become lughatan katab tal unwana. It will be katab tal unwana because the mukhatab is muzakkar ari. Become lughatan katab tal unwana ala zarfi ya aliyu.
What is zarf here, Ustaz?
Envelope.
Okay.
Okay. So how many languages did you write the address on this envelope? On the envelope. How many?
Katabtul.
Wait. You translate this first.
Yes, sir. In how many languages you wrote the address on the envelope, O Ali?
Oh, Ali. Okay, good. In how many
Uh,
languages did you write the address on this envelope or on the envelope?
Katabtul unwana ala zarfi bi lugataini.
Bi lugataini. Katabtul unwana ala zarfi bi lugataini. I wrote the address on the envelope in 2 languages. In 2 languages. Katabtul unwana ala zarfi bi lugataini. Min kam baban kharajatullah. Okay. Kharajatullah. It will be tulabu. Okay.
Tulaba.
Tulabu
Tulaba.
because it is the file. Tulabu is the file here.
Okay, tulabu.
Tulabu. Min kam baban kharajat tulabu min kulliyati.
From how many doors did the students leave from the faculty,
Yes.
from the college?
From how many doors did the students leave from the faculty? Min al kulliyati.
Kharajat
Okay.
Kharajat tullabu minal kulliyati bi babaini.
Okay. Min babaini.
Min babaini.
So we can say kharajat tulabu min babaini. That's
Ustaz,
yes.
so earlier it is all become and here it is min come. So any particular reason or it can be used either ways? Both are prepositions. Like above we saw all were become and here it is min come.
Because the verb is kharaja. So when we exit, you exit from the min, from.
Okay, right. Jazakallah khair, Ustaz.
Amin wa yaki. When you are leaving something, you are leaving from somewhere. That's why we are using the preposition min. Min kam baban kharajat tulabu minal kuliyati. Okay, kharajat tulabu min babaini. So because of the min, It will be majroor. Here, it will be majroor because of the min. We are not using the preposition be here. Min babaini, from two doors. From two doors. Okay. Next is ila kam sayyida liyatan zahabta ya hamidu.
Assalamu alaikum. Shall I try
Yes,
also?
yes, please.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ila kam saydaliyati zahabta ya Hamidu. Ila.
Okay. How many pharmacies did you go? How many pharmacies did you
Okay.
go,
How
O
many?
Hamid?
Okay. How many pharmacy did you go, O Hamid?
Yes.
Zahabtu saydaliyati saydaliyatani.
Zahabtu ila saydaliyataini. Zahabtu
Okay.
ila
Zahabtu ila saydaliyatani.
saydaliyataini. Taini.
Saydaliyataini.
Sayda
Saydaliyataini.
liyataini. Good. I went to the two pharmacies. I went to the two pharmacies.
I went to the two pharmacies.
Two pharmacies.
في كم صحيفة قرأت هذا الخبر.
Qara'ta.
Which
Qara'ta.
قرأت هذا الخبر.
Yes.
From which newspaper you read the news?
Fi kam sahifatan. From how many
From how
newspapers?
many? Yes,
In how
from
many
news-
newspapers?
in how many newspaper do you read the
Yes.
news?
Yes.
You read the news, no?
You-
Past
yeah,
You
tense.
read
this-
the
this-
news. Okay.
Okay. Wait. In how many newspapers you read this news? Hazal khabara, this news.
Okay.
So this
News.
khabara is mansoob because of the verb qara'a.
Yeah.
Okay. And sahifatan is mansoob because of the kam. Fi kam sahifatan qara'ata hazal khabara. In how many newspapers you read this news?
You read this news.
This news.
قرأت صحيفتين هذا الخبر.
Okay.
I read this news in two
Newspapers.
newspapers.
قرأت هذا الخبر في صحيفتين.
قرأت هذا الخبر في صحيفتين.
I read this news
This news
in
in
two
two newspapers.
newspapers. Become jamiatan darasta.
Become jamiatan darasta. In how many universities you studied?
You studied.
You studied.
Okay.
Darastu jamiataini. I studied in two universities.
Darastu bi jamiataini. Darastu
Darastu bi jamiataini.
Yes.
I read in two universities.
I studied at two
studied,
universities. Okay, good.
Kam jamiatan fi baladikum. How many universities in your cities? In your country?
In your country.
Fi baladi jamiataini.
Fi baladina jamiatan.
Fi baladina jamiatani.
Jamiatani, because
In my country, there are two universities in my country.
yes, because here is no verb, so it is in marfu case. Become realan. We can say become realan because then after the come it is mansub, and we also can say become realin because of this proposition. So
Proposition.
both are the okay. Both are okay.
Kullahuma sahin. Okay.
Okay. You can say become riyalan, you can say
Become
become
riyalan
riyalin.
or become riyalin.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kilahuma sahihun. Both of them is correct. Both of them is correct. So our time is over. Inshallah, tomorrow.
Ustaz,
Yes, please.
Ustaz, so I mean, when we say come, it becomes a noun. Is come an ism?
Come. Come mean how many?
Yes,
So yes, of course it is
Yeah.
ism.
ism. And Ustaz, this kilahuma means both.
Both
Kilahuma
of,
means both. That's it.
yes, both of them.
Okay, okay. Jazakallah.
Okay.